Rebecca came over and she wanted to make a recipe with me. However, she did not want to be on this video. So I'm going to show you how Rebecca makes cucumbers. I'm going to start with peeling my cucumber, and I have two types here. This is an English cucumber, and I'll show you what they look like inside, and this is a more traditional cucumber. I'm using a vegetable peeler, catching the scrap to put in my compost. Then to fancy this up, I'm running a fork. This is the English cucumber. The seeds are smaller. The skin is a little easier to eat, so I leave that skin on most of the time. That's going to be a personal preference. And let's see if you can see the little ridges. So it just makes them pretty. Slice them as thick as you like them. Okay, I cannot wait for you to see how simple this is. So I've got one lime I cut up, and I'm just going to squeeze the lime juice over my cucumbers. I'm only using the juice of half of a lime. You could use bottled juice as well. Then I am now taking the dry seasoning and sprinkling it on this. This has salt in it, so you're not going to need to be adding salt. Next, you're going to sprinkle on some of the sauce to make it pretty. And then I am going to do a little bit of garnishing because I want this to look great for you. So I had some rosemary in my garden. Actually, it's growing on my porch. And I had a couple cherry tomatoes growing on my porch. So I'm just putting a few of those on there. It will give you an idea of how you could serve this as well. There you go. So you could put this in the center of a table and have some friends gather with you, and they can each just take a taste. It really takes that simple cucumber and it elevates the flavor and makes it really something very special. Emily's up next.
One of my favorite ways to use tagine is on corn on the cob. I like it best if the corn's grilled, but mine's just boiled today. I like to put a little bit of vegan butter on the corn. It gives it some flavor, and it also helps the tagine stick to the corn. It's got a little bit of sour taste from the lime, and it's a little bit spicy, and I think it just goes great with sweet corn. You can also use tagine to make a quick and easy chelada. Rapido. Thanks for stopping by. Hasta luego. You can also use tagine to make a chelada. Rapido. Question? Rapido. Are you recording me? Stop!
It's for the bloopers. It'll be great.
Thanks for stopping by. Hasta luego. Thanks for stopping by. Hasta luego.